Welcome back. In this video, we will use conditional formatting to find out the top 10 and the bottom 10 numbers in a specific data set. Since I have already applied the conditional formatting, the rules I will clear the rules for the entire sheet. The rules has been cleared. I will select the unit sold. I will select the entire range of the cells for unit solds and find out what is the top 10 and bottom 10. Conditional formatting, top bottom rules, top 10. I will select fill with dark yellow. I can even enter if I wanted to find out 20 or 30 numbers. So I'll use 10. If I use 5, it will find the top 5. I will change back to 10. So I'll find the top 10 units sold. Using the same data, I will also find what is the bottom 10. I have selected bottom 10 items and fill the data with dark green text. You are able to see some of the values are filled with dark yellow and some of the values are filled with dark green. I can filter the data now for bottom 10 and top 10. If I filter by color and select yellow, it is showing top 10. If I select green color, it will show the bottom 10. Now we can see the bottom 10 units sold and top 10 units sold by filtering with the color.